So here, if I talk about Nifty 50, so obviously this Nifty 50 is trending uh, near to its all-time high, beyond 25,000 level. But major concern is that this particular pattern formation. If you see in the month of July, August, actually, there was some news from the US market, global market, that slowdown in US economy, and then interest rate cut and everything. And on the expectation of that slowdown in economy, there was some uh, volatility happened in global market, and our Indian market also followed. And then at that time, index took support around this particular zone here, around 50 DMA technically. And then there was a rally started. But if you see this current rally, it is moving. It is not looking that, even though market is at all-time high level and all, but if you see the candle formation and everything, so it is not looking that much great, at least in terms of candle formation. But as such, there is no sign of negativity, so need not to worry. But yes, we have to follow a cautious approach at current level. Like if I talk about this technical formation, so there is a trend line. If I draw a trend line connecting the low of this election outcome day that was happened here on 4th June. So this is the major trend line I can say on the data of the previous 3-month data, and it is still holding above that. Another thing is that if you see the candle formation here from the last few days, there are so many narrow candles formations happening on daily chart. If you see here, rally started from 50 DMA from the August first week. There are so many narrow candle formations are happening, and that is the point of concern. But yes, market is not falling. That is good sign. But if I talk about further gain from current level, so I'm not expecting any major or any strong gain, in at least in terms of points and in terms of percentage. Maybe current ongoing rally may extend further in coming days toward 25,500 or 25,600. I'm not denying for that. But yes, currently, if I talk about resistance and support, so resistance, obviously Nifty 50 is facing strong resistance in the range of 25,300, 350 zone. And if I talk about support is placed around major support. If I talk about, so major support is placed around 20, in the range of 25,000 to 24,900. So unless and until market is not breaching or index Nifty 50 is not breaching below 24,900, need not to worry. And maybe positivity will be there, or positivity will be there in the market. But suppose it will breach 24,900, then only I can say this, then market may further extend downside toward maybe 24,500 or 24,100, 200. But yes, currently it is holding above that, trading even. It has not breached to 25,000 as well. Forget about 24,900. But yes, here I am discussing about Nifty 50. So just I am discussing the levels for you to have to be remain in your watch list, and that in your watch, and that level is 24,900. Further, to turn more bullish from here, that it must cross and hold this 25,300, 350 to move toward 25,500, 25,600. If I talk about my opinion, the way market is placed, the way candle formations are happening, momentums are happening, especially momentum indicators, the sign of other are in conjunction with various technical indicators. I can say, at least in my opinion, maybe this particular market may remain traded in range bound zone in coming days, at least in broader range of 24,900 to 24,300, 25,300, 350. But suppose it will give breakout over 24,000, 25,300, 350, then one can expect another 200-300 points of gain on chart in Nifty 50. But currently it is in sideways, and that sideways range is 24,900 to 25,300, 400 point range. But suppose it will give breakout above that, so one can expect another 200-300 points of gain in Nifty 50. So in terms of percentage gain, in terms of points gain, it is not that much substantial. That is why I am saying follow cautious approach, at least whenever you are trading in Nifty 50. But yes, it does not mean that broader market is not participating. Broader markets are participating. There are a lot of sector, a lot of stocks which are really doing good. Even though there are some negativity in structures like energy, sectors like metal, I'm not denying for that. But still, there are major sectors like pharma, IT, FMCG are really doing good. No doubt at all. So I would suggest to, instead of just focusing this Nifty 50, it's better to, anyway, it is this current ongoing market is a stock picker market, I can say. Earlier, like in 2023, market was like whatever you will buy market, it is going to gain. You are going to generate money in market. But now it's not a such kind of market. It's a stock picker kind of market. So you have to be very vigilant while picking your stock, because entire market or entire sector or entire stocks are not moving in same direction. Few stocks are doing different, saying different story. Few stocks and sectors are saying different story. So you have to be very vigilant while taking while selecting stocks, because it's a stock picker kind of market. So you have to be very cautious in terms of Nifty, in terms of sector. But yes, there are sectors, there are pockets, there are stocks which are really doing good. Just you have to follow just you have to do some hard work to find the stock or sector. That's it. But if I talk about sectors, so it is vigilant. There are so many stocks in front of you, or so many sectors which are really doing good in current point of time, and anyone can just on the basis of price move. Now bank Nifty. So bank Nifty, if I talk about our expectation, so from the, if you are following from the last almost 2 to 3 weeks, we are consistently saying, even I think in last Bazaar Pe Charcha also, we have discussed and shared a level of 51,500. And we have mentioned that roughly this 51,400 to 51,600, 700. So roughly 51,500 plus minus 100, 200 point, I can say. So we have mentioned level of 51,500 plus minus 100, 200 points, that unless and until this Nifty 50 will not cross and hold, it will remain traded subdued, or I can say it will remain underperforming. But the day it will cross this level 51,500 plus minus 100, 200 points, then I can say there will be fresh move happen in Bank Nifty. And then in such case, Bank Nifty will be ready to move further in upward direction toward maybe toward 53,000, or maybe up to 54,000 as well. So, but unfortunately, from the last few days or few weeks, I can say once again, Bank Nifty is underperforming. It is failed to cross and hold above 51,500, and it is still showing underperformance. So from now onward, just again, I would like to reiterate the level that is I have already discussed in previous uh, webinar Bazaar Pe Charcha and various recording, that 51,500 is a key level to watch. I'm not denying for 100, 200 point here and there. That's okay. Maybe up to 51,600, 51,700. So 51,000 is 500 to 700 is a key level to watch in Bank Nifty. Unless and until it is trading below that, it will remain traded subdued like this. It is trading from the past few days, and it will remain underperforming. But the day it will cross and hold that level, then maybe Bank Nifty underperform, this current underperforming Bank Nifty may turn into outperforming kind of sector or outperforming kind of stock. If I talk about my expectations, so our expectation is that maybe possibilities are there, not that much strong possibility, but yes, possibilities are there that maybe it may give breakout. But yes, we have to be very cautious, because it is not like possibility of 70-80% that it will cross and hold and then remain traded. But yes, possibility of 55-60%, I can say that it may. It's at least majority of the possibility, I can say on majority side, that possibilities are there, but it may turn wrong at any moment of time. I'm not denying for that. So that is why I'm trying to say follow cautious approach. But yes, the day it will cross and hold about that 51,500, 700, then one can expect rally toward maybe 52,500 to 53,000 kind of zone in coming days in Bank Nifty. Uh, Suppose it will remain traded below that 51,500, then one can expect level of 49,500 also. Or maybe I can say either way, I can say it will remain traded in sideways only. And that sideways range is little bit broader range. That range is almost 2,000 points kind of range. That is 51,500 to 49,500 or 49,000. So 2,000 to 2,500 kinds of range are there. But suppose it will cross and hold above that, so maybe one can expect fresh bullish trend in Bank Nifty also. But currently it is not crossing. So let's see how things will improve in coming days and how this Bank Nifty will react in coming days.